Welcome to a Kaching training video. In this video we will be talking about what Kaching's WordPress plugin can do for you. Also, we will be quickly covering how to get the most out of this new feature. First, let's discuss what the Kaching plugin can do for you. Previously, you would add a new blog post or page to your website. Then, once you have added this new page, you would take the title, URL, description, and so on, and submit that information to the Kaching application. From there, the Kaching application could run the submissions for you. This saved you a massive amount of time. With Kaching, you no longer had to jump from site to site. However, with this WordPress plugin, we have taken automation to a whole new level. Let's look at how the new process works with the Kaching plugin. Here's your WordPress site with the PK plugin. Now every time you add a new post or page, that post or page is automatically sent to the Kaching application that is running in your system tray. As soon as the application sees a new post, it will begin making the submissions quietly in the background. Kaching has now become a truly set and forget piece of software. But let's look more deeply at what the plugin is exactly doing for you. Let's look at what happens every single time you make a new post with the Kaching plugin. Search engines, especially Google, loves new content. They like to see sites that are updated often. In fact, one of the ranking factors that affects your website is how many index pages Google knows about on your site. Now with each new post, Kaching is going to make sure the search engines know about your new page and will make sure that page is added to their index. This way you will have more pages in the index, which will help your overall site rank better, as well as give you a chance for new pages to rank for new words. The second thing that will happen automatically is your content will be published to the top social bookmarking sites on the entire web. Search engines will see these links on these powerful social bookmarking sites, and it will increase your page's authority. Additionally, these social bookmarking sites have millions of readers and viewers. This will put your content in front of potential new customers. These readers can see your content and follow that content to your page. Next, the plugin will automatically update your social media outlets about your new blog post. Sites like Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, LinkedIn, and more. Google goes absolutely crazy about social media links. This is becoming one of the strongest single ranking indicators for Google. On these social networks are also your real fans and followers. So now each time you write a new blog post, your fans and followers will automatically be kept up to date. There is no need to jump from one status message to another. Every time you write a new blog post, you can rest assured that your fans will hear about it automatically. Also, Kaching uses its built-in URL shortening service, pk.me, to shorten down your links for social media sites. These shortened down links have built-in tracking, so you can actually measure how effective your social media campaigns are going. You will be able to see how much traffic each blog post generates from your fans, all within inside the Kaching application. And if that wasn't enough, the plugin also helps with pingbacks. Anytime another site links to you as a pingback, the Kaching plugin will automatically make sure that pingback gets indexed and drives authority to that site through social bookmarking. So let's review what the Kaching plugin can do for you. The first thing it does is it ensures your new pages are found. The second thing it does is places your links on powerful social media and social bookmarking sites that search engines love. Thirdly, it places your content in front of new potential readers on these popular social bookmarking sites. Next, it will update your social media accounts so your followers can quickly see your new posts, immediately driving in traffic to your new pages. All the while using trackable URLs so you can see how many of those Facebook and Twitter followers are following your posts. And lastly, it drives authority to your pingbacks and links, ensuring that they are indexed. doing all of this completely on autopilot. Now that you have seen how powerful this plugin is, let's quickly go over a few steps to make sure you get the most out of this feature. The first thing you need to do is make sure you installed and set up the plugin correctly. Hopefully this is an obvious step, and I encourage you to watch our training video on how to properly install and set up the plugin. The second thing you need to do that is very important is to set the Kaching application up to run in your system tray. The Kaching software will automatically run in your system tray anytime you minimize the application. Anytime a new blog post or page is added, that page information is sent directly to the Kaching application on your computer. All submissions are then run using your computer's IP and accounts. I highly suggest you set up the Kaching software to automatically start on your computer's boot up. This is very easy to do using a Mac by simply right-clicking the icon and selecting Open at Login under the settings. For PC users, I will be including a video on this page showing you how to set up the application to automatically start. Each time you minimize the application, it's going to automatically and quietly run in your system tray, waiting for that WordPress plugin to feed it new posts. Next, you need to be aware of a time delay between new posts and submissions. Anytime a new blog post or page is added to Kaching, it's going to wait around 15 minutes before running that submission. This is an on-purpose time delay we have added as a safeguard, in case you accidentally push that publish button or want to further edit your article. We want to make sure your page is really ready before we let the world and search engines know about it. 4. When writing a new post, be sure to enter text into either the Kaching plugin box or to upload some meta information. Kaching will first take the text from the PK box, and if no text is found, it will then search for meta information to run for the bookmarks. If neither is found, the Kaching application will pull text directly from your blog post. This will work, but the text may not always be what you want, and it won't convert as much traffic from social bookmarking sites. And lastly, be sure to set up an appropriate number of bookmarks in the plugin's settings page. If you update your blog several times a day, then it's not a good idea to do a full run of 15 social bookmarking sites each time. This is only going to overwhelm your social bookmarking accounts faster. If you update your site several times a day, then I suggest just a small number of social bookmarking sites, such as 2, 3, or 4 per new post you do. Kaching will automatically select 2, 3, or 4 different social bookmarking accounts every time you make a new post until it does a full cycle, spreading the love and helping keep your accounts in good standing. If, however, you only update your blog once a day or less, then I suggest doing a full run of submissions. If you have entered 15 social bookmarking accounts into Kaching, then I would set this number to 15. You will want the maximum potential authority and traffic you can get since you don't update your site as much. And this is all you need to know to get the most out of this powerful feature. Kaching is truly a set and forget piece of software that is going to continually help your website with every new page you write. If you don't yet have a Kaching account, I highly encourage you to sign up for a $1 trial to this amazingly powerful software. You won't find this kind of automation anywhere else. Our loyal customers will tell you we continue to knock their socks off each month with powerful updates taking the software to new levels each time. Thank you very much for watching this training video about Kaching's WordPress plugin.